Internet sensation Ivany Wright arrested and charged for fraudulent conversion. Hi again and welcome. This is L0cked TV. Let's talk, and we're about to discuss this on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is L0cked TV. Let's talk. We ask you, please remember just to like and share and subscribe to the channel so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Ivany Wright is no stranger to social media, or not even any stranger to controversy, but it seems like this time she pushed the button too far and she has now landed herself in a bit of problem, which will see her have to make a court appearance today. So the 22-year-old Ivany Wright is set to appear in the St. Anne's Bay Parish Court today to answer to charges of fraudulent conversion. According to the police, Wright, who is of a St. Andrew address, was charged by detectives in St. Anne's on Sunday in relations to allegation that she conned money from a woman by pretending to sell her an Instagram account. Well, if you have been following the whole entire situation as it relates to how Ivany works and how she's able to manipulate the whole entire Instagram platform, you would have realized that over the past few weeks, you would have seen a number of people coming out and stating that their Instagram account have been hacked, and a number of others purchasing Instagram accounts from Ivany. So what Ivany does is that she somehow able to manipulate the system of Instagram and get access to personalized accounts of individuals. What she does from here on still is a puzzling thing to many, as many people can't ascertain how she's doing this by hacking personalized accounts of individuals and selling them back to other individuals. So in this specific incident now, the police said that the woman reportedly paid Ivany $65,000 for an Instagram account. However, after handing over the money, Wright reportedly blocked her access to the account and stopped taking the complaints call, and also not wanting to have anything to do with the individual after she took the $65,000. The police have stated that during their investigations, it was revealed that Ivany is also a suspect in one other case that is being investigated by detectives in St. Andrew. The charges that are so far laid against Ivany are breaches of the Cybercrime Act. But when we look on this situation and what played out in this specific instance, if we backtrack a few months prior to this, we would have seen Ivany being critically injured in what was said to be a targeted attack on her life. Fast forward back now to current era, and Ivany was stating in some videos just some weeks ago that she planned on turning her life around. And when we look on this situation that have unfolded right now, it's very sad that she has landed herself in this situation, and it's not like individuals out there weren't trying to reach out to her. Numerous amount of individuals try to reach out to her in order to stop this, and she stated in a previous video that she wanted to make a change in her life and she was on that path. This is something that she has been doing for some time now, and we have seen it coming close at one point in time to her almost losing her life after she was shot. Now that was not any fact of a mere mistake. That was a targeted attack on her life, and I thought that with all that which have played out towards her, she would have looked in herself and realized that what she was doing, she is putting her life at risk. And now based on these developments, she has landed herself in trouble with the law, and she's been charged with breaches of the Cybercrime Act. I can't understand though how people continue to support this type of lifestyle and try to support individuals in this manner or in this fashion, based on the fact that some of these Instagram accounts were hacked by unknown individuals, not knowing that their accounts were being taken over by Ivany. A number of individuals have complained that Ivany hacked their accounts and took it over on numerous occasions. Now people out there now are buying into this whole entire situation based on the fact that they're buying the followers. Whenever an account has a number of followers, so what really happens now is able to gain access to that account, or hacked it as some people would call it. She then now put it on the market for sale for someone now to purchase this account in order to advertise products, or just in order to use this as their own personal business profile. Now when we look on this now, it's very sad to see that people have fallen victims to such an illicit trade. And this individual right now, in this current case that she's been charged with, paid over $65,000 to Ivany. She was given the page, and then somehow Ivany rehacked the page and took back the page from her without giving her back the money that she had paid down on that Instagram account. However, we'll try our very best though to just keep you up to date with this one, and we're just hoping though that she just look on what she's doing and just try to find a way and means of just sorting out herself, and try not to get herself involved in situations such as this, because we see how close it came to her losing her life just some months ago, and would really not want to see anything bad happen to her. But she really is putting her own life at risk, and she needs to be very careful. This has been L0cked TV. Let's talk, and I'm out for this one. Have a blessed afternoon.